It's making the shape of a guitar pick.
That is so cool. Did it just move up? Oh, it's filling it in now. One day I'm gonna get clear plastic, because that's the best. It's working way better now. Probably because it's tighter and thicker. I'm watching the Z. Dad, we'll be able to print tomorrow. Did it move? What moved? Did you see that one?
It went up.
It did? I didn't see that one move. Did that one move?
You're filling it up.
Yeah. Oh, look. Look at that. It vibrated that out. That's bad.
Where's the plastic? Doesn't it come
They're
out
finished.
somewhere?
It's finished.
Where's the pick?
I told you, the plastic is tomorrow.
So what did you do now? Oh, the invisible pick?
Yep.
It took that short of a time to make a pick.
Yep.
Did you put that whole circuit board together?
Yeah, I did.
How about the back?
Yeah.
You soldered on that?
Yeah.
Holy mackerel. What about all these cords to the fan, Ian?
2 minutes and 41 seconds. They
Did
thought
you
it
do
would
this
take
too?
2 minutes and 9 seconds.
There's nobody that came here.
Oh my God.
How
That's
much?
amazing.
What?
How long?
2 minutes and 49 seconds. I thought it would take 2 minutes and 9 seconds. It's interesting.
What is this called?
This is not big.
Maybe because it got stuck.
Did it get stuck? Oh, it did because I had to press reset.
Something about that sensor there.
Is this a 3D printer?
Yeah.
But it's really
Maybe it's because it's
manufacturing.
just like.
It doesn't look like it's fitting the
Oh, what?
See that?
Fail.
It's not hitting it.
So weird. Just do that.
No, it's not right.
There you go.
That's why.
Nice closet.
Thank you. I cleaned it myself.
So that's not working.
That needs to be flipped.
Flip.
Fail.
So at least.
So tomorrow you make a real pick?
Yep. We'll do the first print.
That's awesome. How'd you learn how to do this?
This way.
This after stuff.
No, how'd you learn how to do
This
this?
is 2 years.
2 years of
work.
researching.
Of electronics.
So why don't you patent it?
This.
Because
Can you patent it?
it's open source and it's the design's all open source.
Yeah, but
And I
not if you tweak it and make it your own. Awesome, man. Awesome. Is that awesome, Wally?